Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to split screen burning line animation. So first of all you have to stack the two clips one above. So this is my first clip, right? And this is the second one. So first of all you have to select the top layer clip, which is the C clip here, and I will go and select opacity and click on this pencil icon. Now here I will just, of course there is a slight line here between, so I have to make here. So I just want it from here to here, and I will just select it exactly like this, right? And it's very easy to do it, and I will just end it by clicking on here. Now here you can see on one side there is a sea, and on the other side there is my second clip of the rainforest. Now there's only one thing missing, the straight line here of fire. So here in the toolbar you will able to see here pen tool. So select your pen tool here. By the way, you can just click on like this and click on pen tool. Now here I just want to make a straight line. So this is my straight line, and here on the beside in the essential graphics you will able to see strokes. By the way, if you're not able to see the essential graphics, go to the windows and make sure there's a tick mark beside essential graphics. So this is a stroke icon. I will click on stroke and I will increase to a little bit like this. Okay, and I can also increase my line if there is a small patches living here. Now I have to put my fire effect too. By the way, you can also change the color of the stroke here. So I just want to be a bright yellow, or let's say a orange one, right? So this is a perfect color here, and I will select that. Now go to the effects center here. So this is my effect. Same way, if you're not able to find the effects, go to the windows and make sure there's a tick mark before here. Here you have to find an effect which is called roughen edges. So this is roughen edges. I will click and hold and drag it to my graphic stroke here. I can also I can just open my selection tool here, and I will select it according to my requirement. Once the roughen edges has been into your stroke clip here, you will see a new option which is called roughen edges. Now here you can just increase these evolution. So here, by the way, you won't be able to see any changes in evolution here. So let it be exactly like this. But first of all, you have to change a border. So this is border, so right? So I will just like to be like this here. Now, if you want to make an animation, go to the start of the clip, click on evolution time frame here. You can see there's a one time frame here. I will move the clip here, and I will change the evolution, right? So this is the evolution. Now if I just let me play it and show it. By the way, you can see there's a white space living on the top. You can always select your graphic tool here. Now select pen tool, and you can just make it a little bit bigger, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.